Hello ma'am, I'm Manpreet Kaur. I'm going to explain VK task lab work, and the first task is display stock requirement list. For this we need to go to SAP Fiori Launchpad and on the home screen click on this icon. This icon will take us on the next screen, that is this one. We need to click over here these three dots. In the material by material type field, select finish product in order to display your deluxe touring bikes only. So then compare your entries with the screen, as I will show you the screenshots of this task later, and we need to click on find and the screen will be this. And then after that we will get this screen which will show us deluxe touring bike with colors like black, red, silver. If we want to get the detail of each color, we just need to click on here any color. We are going to click on black, and this will take us on the next screen which will explain us all detail of color black. And in the similar way we can do with the silver and red also. Now our task 2 is display bill of material. For that we need to click on this icon, and this will take us on this screen, that is this. Here we need to click over here. We will click here in the BOM uses and get this. Click here, production, then go. And for these screens we need to fill over here. We can click here and get these all. We will fill these and then adapt filters, go, and this screen will shows us this. And then we will get the screen of this. Similarly, select the Touring aluminum wheel assembly and click on the arrow that will be similar to this, and we will be on this screen because we are going to see the details of these, and we selected this one, so we will get the detail of this. If we will select any other, the detail of that will be appeared. After that, choose this icon to go back, and this is our task 2. We will start our task 3 now, that is display multi-level bill of material. For that we need to click on this icon and we will be here on this screen. Click on execute to display the BOM structure for your bike valid today, and then click on continue. This will takes us over here. Click on this type of arrow to go back or to the initial screen. Then we click on view on the following screen. In the display field group, select variable list and click on execute. That will be on our screen like here, and we can get this, and it will take us on this type of screen as showing here. And this is our task 3. Our task 4 is display routing. For that we need to click this type of icon which will bring us on the initial screen like this. Click on continue to display the following list of operations, and we will get this type of screen. Similarly, none of them is assigned to any specific operation. Select allocation to display the list of components. Select operations to go back to the operation overview. More than extras, then scheduling, schedule, and this screen will be this of scheduling. And this is our task 4. Now we will do our task 5, that is display work center. For that we need to click over here the icon which will bring us on the initial screen which will be similar to this. Double click on the DL assembly work center to select it. Like we need to double click over here for the new screen that will be similar to this. And this will be our next screen. On the default value tab, click in the control key area, that is ASSY, and select F4. Single click on the ASSY, then select detailed information for getting the complete information which indicates what data is required when ASSI is used, and we will get this type of screen. Select continue, like click over here, and we will get this type of screen which will provide us all the information: base, quantity, number of spades, setup. We will get everything, the whole detail. Duration with operation segments. This will be the test formula. Click on continue to continue. The formula for process duration is this one, and this is our task 5, and these are the screenshots of all those tasks which we done now. These are all. Thank you.